Hello guys, we're going to disassemble this laptop, this Acer Aspire 5. The model is N192H. Here you can see here the model, and as you can see, the problem of this laptop is that the keyboard. So we're going to disassemble this. The same time, we're going to demonstrate how to fix the problem of ghost typing keyboard. So first thing first, we're going to remove all of these screws, 10 screws, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, of course with the use of screw. Often here you can use any type of plastic, you can use SIM card track. Okay, ganito. And then before we start to disconnect all of the stuff, first thing first is to disconnect the battery, and of course 2 screws. To easy navigate these screws, set this here. Ilalagay natin kung saan yung item, and here. And then the next one is this CMOS battery. We're going to disconnect it. Okay, so as we refer this thing, we should be careful and be gentle of thing here. And this one, the Kingston memory. Okay, here we're going to place it here, all the stuff there. And next one is this antenna. I'm going to remove this thing here. Disconnect. Okay, 1 screw here, up, put this thing here. Should organize everything, and disconnect this one. Para ma-disconnect to, ino-open to rito, itong black na plastic, ino-open siya, then pull it just like this. Okay, and place it here. We're going to remove the CPU pan. Yes, we're not CPU pan. And okay, this is it. This is CPU pan. Just be careful of everything, and disconnect the cable. Okay, and this one, this HDD, then pull this out here, unlock the remove this thing. Just be careful and gentle. I'm going to place it here. The next one is this one, the speaker. I'm going to remove the speaker. Place it here. This one. Just watch closely how I operate this thing, and place it here. It is necessary to set everything as what I do. And for this one, and here another one, just like this, and here is it there, here, and voila, it's good to go. We're going to remove the disconnect the monitor. And then we're going to carefully disconnect the connector, this one, and then gentle, just be gentle on removing this thing here. Wait a minute, and there you are. We're going to remove everything here. We're going to remove the monitor, just like this. Monitor is here, and then disconnect this one. Here, gonna place it here muna. Then yung keyboard is dito na yan. Paano siya tatanggalin? Paano siya papalitan ng keyboard? How to replace keyboard is that this type, in this model we have to pick this off, all of this plastic here, use any type of metal, just like this, push it and remove it. Here lahat yan, lahat, para matanggal natin ito. And then this is it. Ganito siya pag natanggal na lahat. This is it. Disconnect the frame. And to place the keyboard, I have here, kung meron kayong brand new ilagay nyo. Tapos kung hindi, ito okay na to. Ito kasi inayos ko lang, ghost typing siya, hindi siya nagtatype ng maayos. So here, nilagay ko na. Problem sa keyboard na yon is nag-ghost typing. So panoorin nyo na lang yung video natin, paano natin finix, paano natin inayos, how we fix a ghost typing keyboard. You can watch it on icon above here. So we're going to assemble everything. Ito munang motherboard, place natin ng dahan-dahan. Yan. So babalik natin. Now let's disassemble this laptop. Brooklyn, New York. Okay. Is up here. Napakahirap nito, lalo na pag hindi magnet yung ano natin. Restore natin, balik natin yung mga screw maayos. Then itong isa. Okay. And then this itong monitor, para mabalik tong monitor, ilagay ito sa baba, then gaganyanin natin, pasok natin yan, ganyan. Tapos kakabit natin itong monitor cable, maayos, ayusin natin just like this, and going to flip this, yan. Tapos ito din, ito yan, itong antenna na andito to. Wait lang. And then ganito. Babalik natin itong matitibay na screwdriver. Just watch carefully paano ko siya inaayos, paano ko siya binabalik sa dati. Okay, and this one also. Natin to kasi ano to sa monitor to, walang matibay, it's to be tight, it should be tight. And connect this one. Course, this figure the what we call this hard disk drive. Okay, it's cool. You can this, so this one, this one, the white one should be the first cable, and the second one is this. Just watch closely how I operate this thing. Just like this. then this one, push it here. And the screw. And of course the keyboard flex cable should be carefully inserted. I think it's not enough as, and the flex cable of hard drive. And also for sensor and SATA cable, a CMOS battery. The battery is supposed to be here, and insert this one just like this on the screw. And cover this up here. Cover this up. This, I guess everything is doing great.